In the previous video, we have seen some interview questions on Java basics. So this is completed. So in this video, we will see what is a class and what is an object in Java. So what is class? A program in Java is written with class declaration. So if you see this program, this is a program that we have created in the first project. We have created only a skeleton, but we will see a small basic program now, and then we'll discuss like what is a class. So this is the basic skeleton that we have created in the first video. So now let us see, let us write something here. So System.out.println hello world. Put a semicolon at the end and save it. Okay, so what we are doing is we are just printing something to the console here. So we have written System.out.println. This is the one that we use every time if we want to print something to the console. So we want to print hello world to the console. So we are using System.out.println hello world. So here if you see, this is our package that we have created earlier. So if you see, this is the package that we have created, basic programming, and we have created a class which is first program.java. So this is the class here, and we have also opted to use the main method, public static void main method here, and we have written a statement System.out.println hello world, so which prints this to the console. So let's execute this one. So just right click on this one, go to this class and right click on the class here and go to run as, and run as Java application. Is you have to run the application as Java application only. So just click on that. In the console now hello world is printed. So now let us see what is class in Java. A program in Java is written with class declaration. So if you see, we are writing this public class first program. Public is an access modifier. We will see this in future videos. What is an access modifier? So everything we write it with a class declaration. So we don't need to use this public also, but we are using it here like public. Without writing this public also, it will work. I'm just taking out this and I'm saving this and I'm running it again. Java application. So this also still works. So what we are doing is we are just using the access modifier here. So we'll see it in the future videos, and we will start the program with a class declaration. We use this keyword class and the program name, class name. So class first program. This is the first program that we have created, and all the program is enclosed in the class definition. Whatever the program that we write, whatever the methods that we write, whatever the variables that we declare, all of them, they will be declared within this class. The body of the program is contained in the main method. In this particular case, we are using only main method, and the body of the program is contained within this main method. In Java, the execution starts from the main method. Normally, in Java, the program execution starts from the main method. Okay, so if you see System.out.println, for now just remember that this is what we use to print anything to the console. But if you want to know, system is a class in java.lang package. So system is a class in java.lang package. Out is a static member of the system class. This out is a static member of the system class and is an instance of java.io.PrintStream, and println is a method of java.io.PrintStream. This method is overloaded to print message to the output destination. So right now you may not be able to understand what exactly this is, but once you cover a few topics in Java, then you will be able to understand what is this System.out.println. But for now, just remember that System.out.println is used to print any value to the console. Okay, so this is what class is. Now let us see what an object is. An object is an instance of a class. I will give you in general terms. For example, you want to construct a house. So the first thing that you need to have is a plan for the house. How you would like to construct the house. For example, what is the total number of square foot available for constructing the house, and how many bedrooms you want to have, how many bathrooms you want to have. So that is all nothing but a plan. So that plan is nothing but a class. And using that plan, you can not only create just one house, but you can create multiple number of houses. You can construct multiple number of houses. So all those houses are nothing but objects. Each object might differ in its properties. For example, one house might contain double bedroom, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, and another house might contain 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. So the objects might differ in their properties. So an object is nothing but an instance of a class. To create an object, we use the keyword new. So let's see in a program how we can create an object. So I will create a new class here. Just right click on this project package and go to new and click on class here. And the example I'm creating is object example, and I'm also using public static void main method. So the skeleton is created now. So what I'm doing is I'm creating two variables here, int a equals to 1, int b equals to 1. So what I'm doing is I'm creating one method here. We'll see like what are these methods and how do we create, but just concentrate on how we can create objects here. Okay, public static public, we'll say like void disp, which is nothing but display. Okay, and so we would like to access the object b a is equal to 1 here in this one. Okay, so for accessing the variables or anything, any other methods, we need to create an object first. So we create an object using the keyword new. So for this, the declaration is first you need to use the class name here. The class name is object example. So let's say object example. So obj, I'm saying obj is equal to new object example, and then put brackets here and put a semicolon here. That means we will create an object like this. What we do is we write the class name and then we give a name to the object equals to new and then class name and put the brackets here and then put a semicolon here. So object example obj is equal to new object example semicolon. Okay, so that means we have created an object obj. Now we can access these variables successfully. So what I will, I'll print this variable System.out.println. So I'm saying is a value is obj dot a. So this is what you have to do. We have to write the object dot the variable that we want. Okay, now in the main method also we would like to access the variable b. So we have to create another object here, object example obj1. I'm creating another object is equal to new object, small letter, or new object example. So I have created another object here. So I will print this one now. So for printing we are using this System.out.println. So in Eclipse we have a shortcut here. So what we can do is just type sys out and then press Ctrl space and it will show you that one, System.out.println. So now here we say b value is obj1.b. So this is the b value. But now since the execution starts from the main method, we cannot execute this like this display method. So what we have to do is we have to call this method from this main method so that this System.out.println will be executed. So what we'll do is we'll use again the same object obj1.display. Okay, so what we did was we have created an object and we are accessing the variables, and we have using another object we are accessing the method as well, the method we have created here. So now let us run this one, how it works. So just right click this one, go to run as and Java application. Okay, so now it's showing. Okay, since this is the one, first the control comes here and it executes this statement System.out.println b value is obj.b. So b value is 1. Okay, let me change this one, b value is 2. Let me execute it one more time. So run as Java application. So here it shows b value is 2 and then it calls this method display. So it goes to display method and it prints using this object, it accesses the value of a and it prints the value of a, which is 1. So this is how it works. So just to reiterate this one, so a class is nothing but it is a template or basic plan using which we can create objects, and all the program resides inside the class. And an object is nothing but the actual instance of the class. Okay, so in this video we have covered what is a class and what is an object, and in the next video we will see some interview questions on class, Java class and object. You can download this from my GitHub repository. Just go to my GitHub repository, github.com/suppostack, and go to Selenium-Java-tutorials, and this is the this one starts with the 2. So Java class and object. So go to, okay, so this is the one, 2 Java basics, what is class and object. So this is what, like, you can download this one, and you can, in the next video we will see some of the interview questions on Java classes and objects.